Check it out, man. My name is Kenzo, and this song right here, Baba, goes out to Manyora.
Yeah.
Thenga ibrand, ngathenga nogwayi. Abheka ngathi mina ngitsana. Shaya isayidile lento lezi.
I want something strong.
I want something strong.
Yeah.
Then I remembered it's okay, while I was at school, like abangani bami, they used to take something. You know, and like I needed to breathe, honestly. Like I needed to breathe. And forget about my reality.
Yeah.
Well, at that time I thought it was that.
Yes. You wanted to numb that pain.
Yes. Yabo? Kanti mangilungiza kanje man. Ngihliye cans. As ngihliye cans, you know cans.
Yeah. What's it? Yeah.
Ngihliye cans. And the cancer bazongihlanganisela into engiyifunayo.
Are you familiar nabantu vela bangakuhlanganisela?
No, not really.
Yeah.
So when I got there, ngabatshela ukuthi hayi manje bafethu. Ngifuna nana into so. Angazi ukuthi ngayitholaphi, yabo? But sisi ufuna nana lento leso. Nayi. Uzoyithola lapha ya. I will be. I got it. Trust me. Oh, ngithi ngifuna i-powder nyana kanje.
Okay.
That's man.
Like when mawatshela ukuthi ufuna something powder like.
Yeah, something strong.
Yeah. Ufuna nje something strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
But give me sisi, what's something strong? Should I ngithi ufuna something strong?
What were you familiar ngawo with the strong?
Coke.
With those Coke.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Ngithi okunye man ngoyipowder kanje ufake emakhaleni bathi hayi okay, hamba lapha yazi. Yabo? Angihambi. Ngifika lapha ubudlwana athi man mina ngine crystal. Because I'm already in that mode.
Yeah, so funa lento.
Ngiyayifuna lento engiyifunayo.
And I wasn't excluded.
Yes. I'm like, what's that? Give me that. Sounds nice.
Yeah.
Ay bangifundise. Kanti ngizongena shinga phakathi.
So that first day bakufundisa uphethele yakho to the
Yes.
Who's teaching you how to smoke that?
Some other guy.
Okay, noma ungashika malaki like
Some
a
other
friend.
guy. Some other guy, he was a friend.
A friend. Like umjwayele vele from okay, Mazlab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what happened is that because I don't have a purpose to get
Yeah, napusi uma olida.
Yeah, yekho.
Time available.
Kuyafana, khona yikho kuyafana.
So who's cooking for the dad that time?
Uyasiphekela kudala siphekela.
So many man abaphatha
Lo muntu la akazi nokubhekelwa umfazi ukuthi yini. Bekashadile mara umama mkade ngamphekela.
So yena solo kasijayele nje ukuthi
Dude, like yazini abantu la bahlezi basibuza ukuthi asekini ikhona kanjani, let's just say siyahamba ne yimi ubabami nomama.
Yeah.
Asihambi soyi-3. Lendo yosho hambe shepa ihambe phambili.
Ihamba phambili. Wonwambe nomama ke.
Obvious.
Yeah, so ngeke kubonakala ukuthi hayi family.
Yeah, and abakhulumisani at all.
So manamba ngani ngemoto? Na walk. So njengoba ni walk kanjani like yena always yonishiyemo.
Yeah.
Okay, ngicela ungichazele ke asithi naku suyashaya that first hit ke like I wanna know kwenzakalani like go like which world are you getting in like lento leyami uthi uyayifuna iyanyamalala na.
You know, drugs, they unlock this other world that's not known. Like Babazi Cloud9. It's exactly that.
Yes.
Something that you've never thought about, something that you don't even know that it's existing.
Yes.
And then
so you don't lose your mind. Gancane like. What gives you that thing? Ukuthi usho ukuthi yo mara manje sengicabanga different. Like yini lo sele bayibona or sele ayenze ukuthi okay man.
It gives you confidence. It gives you angazi man. Look like I cannot explain it.
Yeah. Financially you equipped the 10.
Bega. Kapati.
Yeah, on.
Kapati, because of remember I'm responsible of buying medication
mama. Yeah, now my
yeah, you know, I have Nini Melenye Pitori, Nini Melenye Mel Park, you know, Nini near Tepotemba.
So njoba kenzakala yonke lento le ukapati mama kurithayi imali zakhe uzitholile
Ngada yeah Petikati
yo
you know I remember the first month ngamosha yo moshile as like moshile like ngamosha the first month ngamosha
awukakaphini
Trapping. Nyapema but
sengisho like so iqalile lento le mo that first month yeah Not moshile like isikhuluma estimate imali
ngadla 8,000 yonke
yonke nje that night or that month yeah and the year kuphi
I think it was supposed to also pay angazi
sengisho ukuthi wena like ngaleyo 8,000 like what did you spend
angithi nginawungani onemoto
okay
so my friend onemoto yeah siyahamba yeah
Pili lifestyle like straight
yeah
so leyo mali leyo ke yani
bekwea kama mama
yeah like
so like I don't know
okay
yeah
yo
and then yeah
so yeah shine 8 hours like does it
abuye esibhedlela
do you feel guilty with angeke ngiphinde or with mara na
I feel guilty nini when my sisters found out
good you did that
yes and then I did not go back home.
When they find out, was it only that 8,000 or in so dlalile futhi nangayo? You don't remember?
Yeah, but I think it was
But it was bad.
Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. Yeah, because of ngapha umama like she needs money, you know, but my doctor nini yakula nje today. You can just think about it like usebenza machine A2 endlini.
Okay.
So ayekho right at all, you know, meaning udinga watwati like just
but bana obasisi bakho did they ever be concerned ngawe wena so switch ama rule yakhumbula bekuwumntwana unakekelwa manje izinto
I think I was okay. Everyone thought that I was okay.
Okay.
Like everyone.
Were you okay?
I was not.
Munjani that time like how were you like? Because I feel with that. Yeah,
it was not easy. I remember the other day I tried to pray and kneel down. Then I knelt down. Then before ngati baba I started crying, and it was not easy. And I remember like I used to help my mom to even go to the bathroom. Right? But as soon as nimshiye esitulweni and ngibayiwana started to cry, you know, it's not okay.
You were strong to deal with the situation,
yes.
But deep down you were not okay.
Yes. What happened? Now sengihlala sestrate, you know, because of this thing, right? Saying them every day.
Open my own le Christian.
Yes.
Le asabakhalela zakuphinda ithola zakuphinda izama. Ngaphela lapho so Christian
crystal.
Yeah.
And as I smoke crystal, my mother's health nayo in yes. And then I got to go back home and apologize.
Njoba so bhema ne. Umama kusekanaka ubani manje? Njoba so sister.
Honestly, I wish I could answer you.
Okay.
I don't know.
The pups are still there, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that we're still close because you know, she did for me what I couldn't do for myself. You know. I love her because of you know, when I couldn't yes. And then I got to get back home and apologize to my mother about what I did.
Okay.
Imali and whatnot.
Yeah.
Still went back to the street.
So you know, mama, after that we are guy food like
it's fine as you like because of Kitolans and Gasitoli Ben, you know. But she said she's like, okay, it's fine, you know. You know,
so go lifestyle in ya di drugs kada the old lady la go so muthe ya old lady doesn't make you go stronger on the drugs.
It makes me go strong.
Stronger.
Yeah. To a point where
So in your own
I
words,
even thought,
like that situation and pushing you to the drugs in your own words, like how can you put that on?
I was not supposed to find comfort in drugs.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's number one.
Yeah.
Um.
So how's the comfort in food? It's outside. So
Yeah, but I know.
Okay.
I know that I'm not supposed to be comfortable in food because I'll be addicted in food again.
No, saying ngaleso sikhathi leso njengoba ubhema.
Umuntu
odlayo outside.
And
your weight?
Ngayehla.
So endlini bazidudla sala ekhaya like sekufika isilenda manje.
Yo, benilingana nalokhu.
So bathini like how are they
at first you know yasikwenzakala before bangibone endlini ngithinga njalo.
Yeah.
Behlala estradeni 24/7.
So ugezaphi?
Ugeza luxury engaka.
Ugeza nini?
Kanjani ngihlala estradeni kabani?
Tell umuntu ucela indaba sestradeni. Mina ngazi indaba
Kumnandi estradeni ne?
Ayiwe.
Angifuni ukukhuluma ngani. Kumnandi estradeni but kubuhlungu.
Yini emnandi?
Everything.
Okay.
Everything, the nightlife, everything.
Yeah, ungakhuzwa.
Yeah, ungakhuzwa. Yeah, umuntu makakhuzwa estradeni amtshela ukuthi bheka mama. Silo wakho umntwana. Yeah. Nami ngibona isestradeni noma umama ngimhlulile. Yes. You know?
So ubuhlungu ongabusho ngayo ingaba yini? Like mawuthi kuze ngikuthi ukuthi komnandi mara kubuhlungu. So masingathi sibeke ubuhlungu bakhona ngaba yini? Okay, let's not wena ubenzake kuwe. Wena ukwabona benzakala kwabanye. Maybe ungasho ukuthi uphela
kubantu bayabulawa
estradeni
and we get to witness it.
Like babulawa kanjani like strangling umuntu afika umgwazi umuntu.
Yeah, strangling ukwaziwa ukudubuliwa, you know.
So babulalulwana laba like sukulelwana.
Sometimes baba kat bambamba inkunzi. Sometimes it was because of gang related things.
Okay.
Sometimes it was because of I'm superior than you.
You're clever.
Yeah, I'm clever.
So abakazi witness with like banbalula lento abayibhemayo like bakwazana same time for lento abayibhemayo.
Numerous times. Siyasabhema umuntu afila lelo so.
Yeah.
Siplana i-movement yethu elandelayo.
Ukuthi after la simshiya la thina siya.
Yeah, thina siya kuphi.
So when you come back to that place or somewhere else.
Siya move.
You.
Like estradeni, I think it made me to develop a very thick skin.
Yeah,
very thick skin. Because I'm a soft girl. Like I'm a very soft girl, but in Thomasana say guys.
Yeah.
But a lot happened in the streets.
So when
I got gang raped by 9 guys.
You,
Imagine. And then in that right moment,
you didn't consent to that. I would know. So was it figured out with like were you smoking together?
Yeah, we were smoking together.
Oh, so what you have contributions?
No.
So they raped you because they feel entitled
No, they raped me because of they wanted to.
Okay.
Yeah, because being in Domazan.
Yeah.
And they felt like it.
Oh, I'm sorry, please.
It's okay.
I'm very sorry. Very sorry. You.
And then in that right moment, I got because of Bazamogu
comforting you.
They tried to, you know, some things, man. Bazamogu what's this? To strangle.
Yeah, who come.
Yeah. And by God's grace, you know, I was able to pray. But see, like, my sister, right?
So, like, evidence?
I think so. I don't know. Really don't know. by God's grace, kwavela imoto. Benganamandla, you know, but God gave me strength. Ngasho ukuthi le moto le mayifika la ngizogijima.
Yeah.
Ngibambe and try to open
the door.
the door.
Yeah.
So these people emotweni, they were thinking that you're trying to hijack them. Up until they saw ukuthi magaganda imoto mina ayiyeki. Yeah. And that time angqokanga.
Like naked.
Not really.
Okay,
but
like Marauko.
Yeah. And then because there was a woman, I think Thomas army. Then I was like, please take me to the hospital. Guys, especially maphoyisa mafika. Savili Casey, and then I told them that I want to go back home. Now I'm going back home after 3 months. Abazi ukuthi ngiyaphila ngiyenzani.
Undile, ungcolile.
Yeah, yes.
Ew.
And I'm coming back with this thing.
How's the hair? Like,
Chiskop.
Because back when the most
Bengichinela amaphondo.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
And then
Mama kusapil.
Yes.
Okay.
At that time.
Yeah.
And then we tell her this thing. And she was strong. And but again,
yeah.
It cannot be undone. Don't know your pain. And cases so. But I did not think one could look cases so.
So, okay, as I said to utshela omunye umbukeli ne umntana ontombazane obona ngathi le lifestyle vele imnandi asistrate njengoba mawusho. You understand? Ungamvimba uthini but then don't continue, but in your own words ukuthi ngwana yisu.
Share parts. Yegela, don't start something that you won't be able to go through it. It's not an easy journey. It's not. I think I can say our parents try to protect us from these things, you know. When our parents baskuza and tell us that don't do this, don't do that, we don't have the ear to listen, but we tend to use our own experience. And we say that we want to live life for ourselves, not knowing that we are not just harming ourselves, but we are harming our parents. So it's better to make your parents happy than to make people happy outside. So if you don't do this, don't do it.
Happy outside, happy parents. It's better to do.
It's better to make your parents happy than to make your friends happy.
Because
ngoba umzali makakhala ngawe endlini, I feel like it's what happens to you outside, you must feel it. So the very same way that uzokhala ngaphandle, it's the way umzali wakho akhalile ngakhona. Yes.
Yo. Ay, ungifake nyi dynamic kwatwati manje. So whatever leyo ozoyilandelela ngaphandle izoza nale inyembezi lezo zishile wena kumama.
True.
Kahle.
True.
Yeah. Ay, bafethu, I hope nani niyamuza bafethu. Ungabi ngathi indlebe ibhekene nami ngiyiwani. Uyakuthola? Yo, Joe. So now so sendlini, your mom is strong. You're getting by the next day, like genzakalani again.
Manje sengiyasaba ukubuyela estradini. I have my few chosen people that I'm able to smoke with.
Okay.
Right? Angisahambi iviki lonke.
Yeah.
Mangihambe namhlanje. Ngiyabuya kusasa ekseni. Mangihambe ekseni. Late ngalendlini.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay.
And then I got sick in that period.
When?
Yes. I got very sick. I couldn't stand up. I couldn't pee. You know, I couldn't eat. I was in pain. Who was standing up for me?
Your mom.
My dad.
Your dad.
Mom. And imagine that day, Yazi, this breaks me every time, that my mother was not strong, right? she was sick, as I did say, because when some oxygen
you
and
need two
and
missions,
whatnot. But you know that week in Kulangai, my mama. No, not really.
No, I'm just breaking.
Okay.
Yeah.
My mommy was able to stand up and guess in her situation. Bear in mind, this is the woman that cannot stand up for like 2 minutes or a minute. Next. And you know what happened? Please, I'm begging.
Yeah.
Right? And she was part of abantu bebankuka bangifake emotweni.
Kuyo le sickness akuyo like kule straffa naye
but she's also, you know, and amathambo akhe anjani soft, you can even feel mombamba ngesandla like or like you can feel her bones are soft.
Yo.
And then that's when I saw it, man, this thing. But regardless of yonke into engidluliswe kuyo Lord. Ngiphuza amapilisi ngenzani.
Have you ever attempted to commit suicide?
No.
You never. Good girl.
Regardless of ukuthi manje sengiphuzisa amapilisi ngihamba ibhara bakuthatha igazi, you know, everything, the counseling, the eating, I still wanted. Satani.
You still wanted to see.
Ngifuna ukukhipha intuthu ngomlomo. This thing. Like, I just thank God that.
I see sonke nathi. We thank God that you went through it.
So I came back from the hospital. I still go back.
Like, okay, so yakhona ukuzimela manje.
Mase ngiyosibela ngithi
basizile. So yakhona
obviously ngiyahamba. As I told you, hamba namhlanje, I come back tomorrow. Now I'm able to get my money. I'm able to make my mother food. I'm able to sterilize the place for her. Make the place warm and whatnot. Make her comfortable. I cannot. Some is so bad. Go smoke. Yes, I'm grateful that even in that I was able to have a glass conversation with my mother. You know, she actually said goodbye. But
even though you weren't ready.
And she even said it. Ngoba she was sick, and abantu bebazi ukuthi hayi lo mama lo walaphayana umntana kusestradeni, let's just go and help her out. Sometimes when they find me bari wena musutsi ba msebenzi ba tseba mo tlamela hlapa mjisa yabo kore fela tabaki. You know,
and
you're strong.
You're still heavy.
And you know, sometimes right? I would want to cry.
So you make Kalisa. Okay.
When Kalisa like sing.
Yes.
Is it possible if they smoke outside?
Yes, please.
So,
please, guys.
Thank you. And then it happened to Uti. What's this? Then it happened to Uti. Umamam. No, where was I? Yeah. And then mamami, we are kulunguti. Musang kishwang. Wanak. Uskal itiwor utara lo humore. Right? Things like that, I'm like, we are by the time Mutwell Abu, you know, Mutwell Abu, and I did that. And then the following day, family Abu Baba Mia Figa, and she literally she literally thanked everyone for the support and whatnot. You know, yes.
I'm sure I'm going to ask.
And then she thanked everyone, and then right, I bet right, Then the following days, few days after that, her friends were there.
Okay,
You
so
know?
yeah,
Different people.
Yeah.
Different, like Mambega Tandi. I don't want to lie. And then Mafiga Bati. Okay, Tammy, okay. What do you want us to help you with? I also had if ever have a treatment last month, not this one. I'm going to the therapist with the other one.
Okay.
So my mother's friends were not just supportive to her, but they were supportive for me.
Yeah.
So Manja would okay, tell me, want to take you to rehab? Do you want to? I'm like, yes, I want to. And then one morning, I'm telling you, like, I'm tired now,
but
my mom.
your mom, yeah. Also, like, bakbuza nge-rehab kanje vele sesibile process emamakho vele yeah, okay.
And then my mama tita ngiyakuthanda yabo athi like ngifuna ube right yabo ungakhali yabo ezinjalo yabo. And then I went out that day. Right? So when I went out that day, ngabuye mina hleli ngaphandle umama. Thami kupotleo ayinkwele wena.
Kusho wena?
Yes. Kanti that was the last day I see my mother. So I went back to the streets, came back, I think that was Saturday.
Okay.
Came back Sunday. When I came back Sunday, my dad tells me, your mom is in hospital. She wants to see you. I think as I'm
like we take it like Ramana.
Because I knew this woman, because she got a high care. But see, the next coming for the 8 hours are very critical.
Yeah.
You know.
So your mom's now.
Yeah. Ngapa like I need to the main organ was not working.
Okay.
So now the lungs, ilange one
say
pelile, you know, oxygen instead of imupe moya yamkodelisa ngaphakathi and inhliziyo ngapha it's fragile, you know. Every organ is starting to
so this one thing and then.
Yabo. Bengimbiza Robocop.
Why?
Because of
oh, okay, yeah.
And then I begatin Robocop like basically chicken bomb. Yeah. And then master special okay. My pumia ICU at yo. Lampata. I'm not a dying type. So I just knew that she'll come back.
Yeah.
Thank I did not know. She passed away on a Thursday. And then
so it didn't go back Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday until Oshana Thursday.
Funny enough, I felt it
on Thursday.
Like Naiza la like I felt it. I don't wanna lie.
So those news actually feel sober like
I felt it. I knew it on a Thursday, right? Friday. And then I'm like, you know what? Let me go home. Yabo? Manye endlini. I don't want more to so. That's I ngifila kumngani wami ngeke. I like ngifila kumngani wami. Ngifila kumngani wami.
Okay, kasi to Linda.
Anything you don't sending bonile.
So I want on the situation.
You want the situation from far.
Yeah.
So I'm like, it's the thing that I felt.
Yeah.
Yep. I ngifile kumngani. Umngani wami yomfana. Monuba wakho sibali. Like you could see. Ithi ntwana hambiye yithi. Yoze ukuthi kwenzakala. Yeah. Ubuye athi mntwana wena mele uthi yabo. I am like ayangiyendlini. Ayaspeme bafethu. Ayaspeme vele. Qeda ukubhema ngithi hayi you know what akusizi ukubalela. This thing ibhekane nawo. Yabo?
But enhlizweni seyikhona lento lokuthi ukhulume nawe ukuthi eshima kunjalo. I'll deal with it. I feel it total naku.
Amafika endlini ngibona ukuthi hayi kunjalo vele. Yabo? Mangifika endlini vele ngihlangane nobabami. yabo imbuzo ngithawu ndoda kuhamba kanje do I'm saying
Yeah.
ndoda kuhambani athi ay abantu bangibheke yabona nami ngihayi yabo leso sikhathi ngibambisela kahle
So clever.
yeah so they like
So like you're standing with the dad, like, oh my God, like,
yeah lukwelo lapha
yeah, like, nabona na ukuthi
wena kuhlaniwe yabona like efuna mayifidal like abantu bahlala ngaphandle yabo
yeah.
ngiyana lapha ya wazi ukuthi like yo nginjani yo ay sharp ngene endlini mangene endlini ngimbuza baba yabo vele ay mangena ngiyaqula ngale dining room
Usontonyana.
ya usontonyana yabo engapokhala amanzi etiye amakhekhe babalungise everything it's like
yabona lo setup little vibe.
ay ngene ekamreni bathi yo siyabonga Jeff Thami ufikile yabo bathi hayi Thami ngobathi ngena ngobathi ongene lapha awusisamathi hlapa nina ufethu uhlapa ukhonje nene lo buka futso hlapa
Njengoba kuhlapisa kanje kugcineni ngihlapa.
Ay manje sengageza.
Uyabonakala ukuthi umuntu
manje sengageza.
Okay.
Manje sengageza. Bengigcine nini vele ukugeza that.
Bathi ngathi inokuhambisa nama ne
Hayi crystal
ayikho njalo.
Yeah. Oh i-crystal. Ya mogeza obviously uyiqale phansi ubheme.
Vele.
Yeah. Yabo. So bengigcine nini? Hayi man but bese nginomuntu right like straight.
Uzodala kutshela. Phela ngeke ngagezi ungathi ujola hayi vele shithi.
Benginama boyfriend angaki? Benginama boyfriend amaningi.
Engaki musabuza phendula phela.
Angazi benginama boyfriend amaningi. Like so.
Yeah.
And I made sure that my target because I knew ngintombazana.
Yeah.
Right. Uphanda intombazana kufana nomphanda womchana.
Yeah.
Obvious. So mina ngitargetani. Labo but laba basebenzayo laba basingile labo laba baqabe impilo laba ba like ish yadinga noma ngahambe ekuseni yabo so ngiyazi time zovuka yabo so I used to target those people and one thing about life you know injani once you start attracting this kind of people these kind of people
yeah because you attract your own
yes yabo so
much bonke labantu tshela na bonkulala nawo
yeah
like
this
on the schedule sabo nabo dude.
Okay, bear in mind that it increases your sexual drive.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
You can be okay. I used to sleep with people like exteni. If ever ngale na exteni, ebusuku ngale nawe. Ngale nomuntu omunye.
Yeah.
Yeah,
because those are kubhekela obvious. Sukuyamela kunikeze naye something.
Yabona uNkulunkulu.
Yeah, yeah.
Sibonga ukuthi asikuli yazi.
Ayimfethu yazi. Yeah, hayi lapho kumele ushaye nezandla mntwana. Yeah.
So benguphi? Oh okay. Mangene bathroom.
Yeah.
Babambela ndele. Yabo, plastic.
Yeah.
Yabo? Athi ngibuza ukuthi like umama uphi. My dad ubaba umZulu. Brutal.
Yeah.
You know uzokutshela into enjalo noma izokhetha.
Yeah.
Yabo, ngibuza ukuthi ukuphi mama ufloka fetsi mabani. Fitse da parta hloka fetsi nga diapere. So everyone was waiting for you. If you have about good hlatswa, mali ka hlatswa.
Are you firstborn?
No, lastborn.
Yes.
Akushiya kanjalo fana mina.
So mayilenda leyo bhombu.
Ngakhala ndoda. Angaze ngakhala kanje empilweni yami. Bear in mind, Mau High, especially with drugs, it does not let easy. You know, it
yeah.
You know, but yeah. That's how it happened, and then
so we are guess.
What's
going through your mind? What's going through your mind?
You ngakhala like I did not even understand ukuthi like ushona kanjani umuntu anemachine endlini.
Yeah, like nazi.
Ushona kanjani asesibhedlela yabo? Like ushona kanjani umuntu uthengele ayikho into angayithengelwa umuntu. Like umuntu aze nesuggestion ukuthi hayi yazi abantu abe oxygen Mom tengele ini, you know? We used to try everything.
Yeah.
You know? Anjani. Kona yini, kona le movie le yelo, konje yini, but yeah.
Okay.
But you pamala, about like they used to suggest things.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. People would suggest there's about umuntu njani.
Umuntu doctor makhona.
Yeah. Puzo umuntu wabesuthi yabo. So she would drink literally everything. Bear in mind ngapha umsiyoni. Kuza amathiyasi siyoni. You know?
So sikuya kwakho la ucela ugeze ke so you
obvious.
Cabanye uyakho manje. Udayi umuntu uzongicomfort.
Yes.
Okay.
Angithi sengomuntu straight manje like obvious baby yes baby makafika
uyabhema naye.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uyabhema but bekumuntu ophanda istrategy so bekabhemisa ukuphanda.
Yeah.
So obvious baby I hope ngimthanda lapho.
Uza naye baby into yakhona. Uza naye into yakhona.
Yeah. Bakaza lapha
endlini. Yeah, basusa kuwe. Okay.
Yangithatha siyahamba.
Yeah. Why ungabaza kangaka no baby? Like what was happening now no?
Yeah, I used to love that guy.
Yeah.
Yo, I used to love that guy.
So nihlukaniswa yini naye?
Sahlukaniswa ukuthi the very same day I buried my mother. Yithi bangenza i-family meeting. Yazi an abruptly meeting.
Okay.
Right? People start outside eating and whatnot, yabo, enjoying the food, yabo. Phuma emngcwatshweni ndoda like abantu basahlile emotweni, yabo. Kanti labantu labo baplanile ukuthi hayi lo uyahamba.
When?
Yes. But time asimbonile umama wakho ugulile abambiza ngegama. Ugulile uphumulile. Boko before that bangenzela i-family meeting.
Before the
yeah. Athi yakhumbula mama kusukutshela ukuthi wena uyogijimisa ihash. Mama kwahleli la. Yakhumbula. Ngithi menthi babam yangakhuluma ngithi abantu labo bazongihlasela.
Ngenziwa manje.
Angithule ngibabheke bathi yakhumbulisa ukuthi wena uzogijimisa ihash uzosithola sibuye emathuneni. When was it? Last week. Mama kukubi namhlanje. Akekho. So ufuna isenzeni?
So who's
my aunt?
Who's the speaker? Antwak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Antwak yo. Hlanyaka.
Yeah.
Sharp. And then on the day of the funeral must put me
Kule meeting le wena kuwe kenzakalana like what's happening like uyabezwa ngiyafana. Bahlala ngawe.
Yeah. Because of the last time we did this khona that week.
Yeah.
Tema baphuma ngathi ngathi mama angithi la abanyana phela sengakuthotinyana bograph nyana 2 minutes ngithi wena bathi bakawufela ba busy bankenela wena wathola bariya wena ngozokhuluma nonke kanjani but like yeah you know I love my story you know I love my story it reminds me of where I come from.
Yeah. What made you strong?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bangitshela ukuthi amantami. Simumuntu mama kugulile, right? You want what's best for you.
Yeah.
So kumele manje decide. Sifuna ukubuyisa rehab. But I also want to go to rehab.
Vele you want to go to rehab.
I'm tired.
So vele wena like njoba ubhema kanje mama kagula aphila nani like did you ever wanted to stop drugs?
Only the time I was sick.
Wena ukazi ukuthi hayi mina ngisabhemi la kuzostopela mina kube ilelo viki lelo.
Bengikhona ukuthi ngabhemi crystal but ngibhemi indanga. Crystal bese ngasayithandi vele.
Okay.
Because of I realized that it made ishintsha umuntu abe umuntu
Sorry kanye.
Ozusabanya abantu ubuhlungu.
So like ibulala inembeza.
Yes. So I was withdrawing kancane kuye. Though I would.
So when khona umuntu kwamzisa ubuhlungu ngenxa yeCrystal.
No, bazokutshela ukuthi uthami udarling shem.
Yeah.
Tommy is a darling shem.
Yo. So awukaze wena uzostop. Wazistopela waziqalela kuzehlela kuCrystal. So was strong kundanda. So njengoba strong kundanda usayivakashela maCrystal.
Yes.
Okay. So mabakisa rehab. Which one you are heavy on? Is it indanda?
Both.
Okay.
So Mabat Bang is very happy, but since Ngati Ngaya is very happy even tomorrow. But we love the fact that you are agreeing. You are living right now. You're going to Limpopo. Now, what is? I am not king. Bele besing kate.
Yeah.
But okay, Tammy, it's fine. Standards in Moham. Sebakona labantu bazokulanda. Then yes, that's how my journey started to recover.
So how long was this?
This was 23 months ago.
23 months ago, and you're still going on pushing and making sure that
Next month means 2 years.
our page. I want you,
Thank you.
I'm just change message nyana nje kumbukelo yiwani naye or umzali or umntwana maybe unomntwana odlula kulezinto lezi. I'm just like just that message with this bafethu. Just focus esikoleni, just focus go 1 2 3 phumani kule mpilo. It's not ayoba. Because omunye ngakubheka manje and see ukuthi mina ngabhema and come back musingifana naye nakuthi asemuhle. Uyangithola? So like they must know ukuthi it's not ayoba, Joe. It's not ayoba. Ngicela ungibekele nje ngamagama wakho mntwana.
Whatever that it is that you're facing, it's okay. It's a season. Seasons comes and go. Nothing doesn't come to pass. Whatever that you're facing, izodlula. Find comfort. If you're a believer, find comfort in God. If umuntu obelieve ukuthi makhuluma nabanye abantu, you can be able to get help. Do that. It actually helps to speak to someone. And if usakula, it's true that education is the key to success. And funda, you know, there's nothing more good and great than being independent to yourself. If umuntu business does not mean Gucci, in order for you to be recognized and be cool, you must be in drugs and alcohol. But if you choose to be in alcohol, it's okay, but drink responsible.
Good. Yeah, so ngicela ke wena ne ama drugs mawungasho njoba uzowafika ku point ukuthi uwayeke ne yini le kule speech sama drugs ungasho ukuthi into iluzile kahle. What's that?
I lost my dignity. I lost me. I literally watched my dreams going down the drain. Because just take for instance now, drugs. They're not considered as community members. You know, they are considered as nyaope.
Because omunye uthe yena bona they consider themselves nyobabem as a community.
Exactly. Yeah.
So bona bazikhiphile ku society le yethu. So bazenzela into yabo.
Which is true.
Same, man.
Very.
So do you have anybody that you would like to apologize over Mosha? Maybe didn't have that chance to go to issue, or you would like to say those
honestly?
Yeah.
Right? I'm just grateful that you asked me that question. I'd really love to apologize to my mother, but because she's no more, I cannot do it.
But I need to thing you know, good thing can make his spirit rest at ease. Because when I'm on
apparently, not me. I'm sorry to my believers, but wherever that she's resting, now she's finally resting
in peace.
Yes.
Nice one. Bafethu, PTT Maholi, Potila Sekasi, sister me. Thank you very much, Mfethu. Please, Mfethu, you're not alone. Sister Babako Night, Mfethu. Nyakela Mfethu, ibambe kanjalo. Uyakuthaza kule ndawo esikuyo Mfethu, ngithola. Yeah, thank you very much for taking your time. Bye guys.
Danko.